Major news out of the FDA today on what could be a potentially blockbuster Alzheimer's treatment from Biogen. Stock soaring 38% on the news. Let's get it with Meg Terrell. Meg.
Well, Brian, not just a potential blockbuster, but what some are calling potentially the biggest drug of all time. This is the first new drug for Alzheimer's approved in the U.S. in 18 years, and the first ever cleared to potentially slow the declines in memory and thinking clearly associated with Alzheimer's disease. Now, there are more than 6 million Americans living with Alzheimer's and about 2 million who are in the early stages of the disease where this drug, which is called Aduhelm, was tested. Now, on top of that is the price tag, about $56,000 a year. By some estimates, more than 4 times higher than what was expected. But Biogen stock jumped so much today, not just because of the size of the market, but because it wasn't clear which way the FDA was going to go. The decision was hugely controversial, with a number of doctors and even some who advised the FDA saying the medicine shouldn't be approved because there wasn't enough data to show that it actually works. Now, what the FDA did today was a sort of creative solution, something we see more in cancer drugs. It approved the drug under what's known as an accelerated pathway, based on the fact that it clears plaque buildups in the brain, with the expectation that should lead to benefit with memory and cognition. But the FDA is requiring Biogen to run a confirmatory trial showing those benefits after the drug gets on the market. Now, I spoke earlier today with Biogen's CEO, who said they have almost 9 years to produce those results. Meanwhile, a number of other stocks across biopharma getting a boost on this news today, from Eli Lilly, which has a similar Alzheimer's drug in development, to smaller players across the space, many seeing this as a sign of increased flexibility from the FDA toward drugs in neuroscience. Brian, just toss back to Biogen.
I'll take it. Given that move today, Meg, that's a great compliment. By the way, doing great work on Alzheimer's, giving hope to a lot of families. Call me whatever you want. Thank you very much, Meg. All right, so let's trade that guy down. First off, let's not lose sight of the fact that Alzheimer's.
It's amazing news, by the way.
This is amazing news for
exciting.
so many people that are suffering or have family and friends suffering from Alzheimer's.
It's exciting.
It's amazing news for Biogen. There's probably other angles on this as well.
It's the holy grail. We've talked about that for years. And Biogen, I mean, you can go back and look over the years. It's had some fits and starts in this, and this is obviously one of the many starts. But look at where the stock traded today, and then go back to March of 2016 and look at where it topped out at. Now, this is awesome news, but if this was the catalyst you're waiting for in terms of trading the stock, today was your day to get out. I love Biogen. We've liked it for a long time, through the good times and the bad times. By the way, their CFO is a Georgetown classmate. With that said, the place to be is Eli Lilly, because that's the one with, in my opinion, you have just better pipeline, better valuation. Stock, I think, at all-time highs today. You trade Lilly off of Biogen, in my opinion.
You're absolutely right, Guy. I mean, chasing something up 40%. What's kind of interesting here, though, for me, is that even after a move like this, it's not like Biogen's expensive. This was kind of value territory coming in. In fact, if you look at the top handful of names in the IBB, which is the biotech ETF, that's kind of what you're buying into. You're not buying into the actually swing for the fences biotech ETF or other names. So you're buying companies that have great balance sheets, that have been slow growers. They're almost value plays in the middle of that. So look, I don't want to chase this story today, but Biogen needed this kind of a shot, as some of their other core pipelines are really showing diminishing sales. And I think this is not a valuation that I'm scared of at all.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.